The Sexual Assault Kit Tracking System is another example of employing IT solutions to better deliver government services to Washingtonians.
In 2014, when I was raped, there was no way to know what was happening with my rape kit. And this lack of knowledge and information created a lot of anxiety and really contributed to increased trauma and PTSD.
I was touring evidence rooms and we were looking how to store DNA. And I saw these white boxes on the shelf and I said, what are these boxes? And they're like, they're untested kits. And I knew that each of those kits was a survivor's voice who was never heard, who never had the opportunity to seek justice. When we had this opportunity to really pursue the statewide tracking system, I knew it was going to be using technology to really hold the system accountable. It's tools for law enforcement, it's a way to support survivors, and it's done in a way that really protects their privacy.
Having the ability to look online in privacy and in safety and find out what's actually happening to some of the evidence is tremendously useful.
So I'm so incredibly proud of the work that's been done through the OCIO and the Washington State Patrol, really to embrace this technology.
We know that survivors have logged onto the system 2,100 times. And that's 2,100 moments where somebody's anxiety was assuaged. It's 2,100 times that somebody had peace of mind.